Good morning, everyone. Let's wait for a few more minutes. So let's start. It's been quite late. Let me quickly share. I hope you're able to hear me. Anyone, please acknowledge me. Am I audible to you? Okay, I can't hear you. Is it audible to you, guys? Someone please acknowledge me because I can't hear anyone here. Or maybe no one is speaking. Am I audible to you guys? Hello? Am I audible to you guys? Someone please acknowledge me. No one is acknowledging, or maybe there's a network issue here. Let me disconnect and connect again. Am I audible now? Hello? No one
Yes,
is
sir.
acknowledging. Okay. पहले आ रही थी आवाज मेरी आपको? Okay, please. So let me quickly share the screen with you guys first of all. So we have covered this much market segmentation. Sorry, target marketing in the yesterday's class. And today we would be studying differentiation and positioning. So this is something which I made you understand yesterday itself. Still, we would be studying it. Let me quickly share the screen with you guys. Okay. So I hope yesterday you guys were able to understand this STP process. Any doubts anyone is having for the STP? It's quite layman, बहुत ही general चीज है जो भी हमने कल पढ़ी. Okay, I believe no one is having any doubt. Okay, so let me quickly come to this topic, that is differentiation and positioning. So differentiation, जैसा कि मैंने आपको कल बताया, differentiation का अगर हम basic meaning अगर हम देखें, तो differentiation is making the product or service distinct from other. Distinct in the sense अलग एक तरह से, मतलब differentiate आप समझते होंगे जो अगर हम एक term की बात करें, differentiation means to differentiate the product among the market, to stand out in the sense, right? So differentiation refers to the marketing strategy that a company adopts to make their product or service to distinct from all other available services in the market. So as this definition is very self-explanatory, you can say. कोई भी मान लीजिए एग्जांपल मैं अगर आपको दूं, we can take an example of iPhone. That मार्केट में मोबाइल फोन्स बहुत हैं, बट जो आईफोन का जो एक तरह से सिनेरियो है, कॉन्सेप्ट है, they have differentiated their product lineup, that see this is the product that we have and this is something which is giving you more value. They are pretending to be giving some more value. वो बात अलग है, वो लूट रहे हैं हमें, वो चीज अलग है, but as per their philosophy, as per the marketers philosophy, you can say, they are having a concept that we are giving a experience to the user जो Android नहीं दे पा रहा. But if I talk about the real picture here, people have their own preference. किसी को Android का customization पसंद है, किसी को Apple का so called privacy पसंद है. All right, so this is something that is differentiating the product from the others. If someone is willing to have the option of customization, in the sense, if you see the Android thing, इसमें आप हर चीज customize कर सकते हो, be it everything, like be it wallpaper, be it font, be it जो उसका font का style है. But if you say about the Apple, वहाँ पे ऐसा font का नहीं होता सिनेरियो. जो उन्होंने font करके दिया है, आपको वही यूज करना पड़ेगा. So here you can see that जो ये differentiation का concept है, ये एक तरह से brand loyalty को reflect करते हैं. जैसा कि मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था कि जो भी ये concept है हमारा differentiation का, when a brand is trying to differentiating their product from the other players, somehow they are trying to make the customer base loyal to their product and services. So practically you can see that how loyal the Apple fans are. आपने एक टर्म सुना भी होगा, Apple fanboy, या Samsung fanboy. तो ये सारी चीजें हैं that how the brands are trying to build up a brand royalty. Sorry, not royalty, loyalty. Royalty is a different thing. So this is the basic agenda of differentiation, that how the brands are more focused about differentiating their products just to increase the sales figure and the market reach to the consumer. All right. And here you can see this term competitive advantage, which means example competitive advantage का अगर मैं आपको general layman meaning बताऊं, it is about the एक तरह से उसका क्या एडवांटेज है, ये इसी का एक तरह से सिनोनिम कह सकते हो आप differentiation का, that how it is giving something different than the competition. मान लीजिए दो प्लेयर्स है मार्केट में, वो कंपटीशन में है, सैमसंग और एप्पल. So competitive edge or competitive advantage of Apple is over Samsung is that it is giving more privacy to the consumer. So this is the competitive advantage of using an Apple device if you compare with Samsung, right? And if you say in the context of Samsung, they are giving more customization options, you can say. So this is the layman understanding of differentiation, which I just delivered. Anyone is having any doubt in it? I hope you're able to understand all the concepts, segmentation, then target marketing, then differentiation and positioning. Positioning में मैंने आपको बताया था yesterday's class. All right. So differentiation can be achieved through adding or modifying the marketing mix. ये जो है प्रोडक्ट प्लेस प्राइस प्रमोशन, ये सारी, जैसे मैंने आपको एप्पल का एग्जांपल दिया, उसका प्राइस उन्होंने एक तरह से काफी हाई रख दिया, क्वालिटी अच्छी देती, परफॉर्मेंस, ये सारे पैरामीटर्स हैं जो एक प्रोडक्ट्स को डिफरेंशिएट करवाते हैं. डिजाइन, किसी का डिजाइन अच्छा हो गया, वैसा डिजाइन मार्केट में है ही नहीं, ठीक है. अवेलेबिलिटी का आप एग्जांपल ले सकते हो. when OnePlus was launched initially, so it was only available on invitation basis. So maybe you might be not aware of this thing. When OnePlus One device was released in the market, so it was something which is only available on invitation basis, and it was like कि किसी के पास है वो डिवाइस, उसके पास एक रेफरल कोड है, वो रेफरल कोड जब शेयर करेगा तभी वो नेक्स्ट बंदा उसको ले सकता है. And you can even take example of MI as well, that how they have adopted a methodology, that how they make day wise sales. आपने देखा होगा फ्लिपकार्ट या अमेजोन पे, तो किसी कोई पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे कोई एक सेल निकलती है. How, why they are doing it? They're doing it just to make a mental presence in the mindset of customer, that see, this is the limited availability that we have, and you need to, if you really want to have this product, you need to rush. So this is the entire marketing that these people are doing, just to cater, just to have more customers in other sense. So these are the differentiated practices that they are trying to adopt while making the sales, right? So these are the general example, the real life examples, you can say, and I hope you are able to map these examples with the concepts. All right. So this is something, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया Android iOS का example बताया, this is something which I have already made you understand. So यहाँ पे आप differentiation एक देख सकते हैं. So maybe some of you might have went to different cafes in Delhi. तो I still remember, एक example बताता हूँ मैं इसको, एक differentiation का. There is a cafe in Delhi at Majnu Ka Tila, Ama Cafe. आप लोगों ने शायद सुना हो, नहीं सुना, maybe someone from you have went there as well. So there is a concept that people have adopted, that they have completely vanished the offline menu system in their cafe. So whenever you visit there you have to scan the QR code that is written on the table, and the entire menu would be on your screen. So there is a full-fledged website they have developed, and they have made this ordering thing online over there. So this is something different that these people are trying to implement. So have you, आप में से कोई गया है यहाँ पे आमा कैफे या कहीं मजनू का टीला किसी भी कैफे में, वहाँ पे ये चीज प्रैक्टिस हो रही है. So this is why I'm explaining this thing to you, because so this is the differentiated thing that these people are trying to implement. By adopting such things, they are somehow trying to portray that, see, this is the एक तरह से वो पेपर बचा रहे हैं, environment friendly एक तरह से practice कर रहे हैं, and somehow this is going to impact in the mindset of the consumers as well, because this is something different that these people are practicing. So why I'm explaining all these things to you? Because to sustain in the market or to make sales at a greater pace, any organization or any marketer needs to have such distinctions in their in their practices. If you are so reluctant to adopt any changes in the market, definitely you are going to flourish in the long run. All right, so this is the practical implication of this product differentiation or product or service differentiation that I have already said. So यहाँ पे भी आप लोग देख सकते हैं कि if food restaurant may launch an app or iOS app for online orders, यहाँ पे online orders का दिया है मैंने आपको एग्जांपल, एकदम लाइव एग्जांपल उसका दिया जो हम डाइन इन करते हैं एक तरह से, राइट. So this is something which is completely theoretical because so next we would be studying this market research concept in the next class. Before that, I believe we should understand this positioning thing. Positioning का मैंने आपको बताया था. Anyone would like to give their inputs, like what they understand? I have repeated this thing number of times. Anyone would like to give me a brief idea, like what you understand? Even I have put it this thing in the screen of yours as well. Anyone, please? It's completely fine if you're completely wrong as well. Positioning मैंने आपको बताया था. Should I pick someone randomly from the list if no one is going to speak? Okay, let me pick someone then. um uh, Divya Sharma, can you unmute your mic please, if you are able to hear me? Anshu Chaudhary, Vikas, are you guys listening to me what I'm saying? आपको आवाज आ रही है मेरी? Hello, someone please acknowledge whether I'm audible or not. Am I audible to you? कोई बोल ही नहीं रहा. जिस किसी को बोलूंगा उसी से पूछ लूंगा मैं. अनुपम, ओके, अनुपम ने कुछ मैसेज किया है. I'm not audible to you. आपको आवाज नहीं आ रही अनुपम? नेटवर्क तो ठीक आ रहा है मेरे यहाँ पे. आपको आवाज आ रही है मेरी? अच्छा, कनेक्शन इशू है आपका. ओके ओके. किसका कनेक्शन इशू नहीं है? सिमरिक, can you unmute your mic and explain this topic? Positioning. Why you guys are not speaking? It's completely fine if you are completely wrong. As said, at least you should give your inputs. Or you guys have just put this thing on mute and you guys are doing something else. I'm feeling like this. Okay, let's continue then if you are not going to give your input. So positioning, आप लोगों को आवाज तो आ रही है ना, या आवाज भी नहीं आ रही? उसका तो एक्नॉलेजमेंट कर दो कोई. Someone please acknowledge whether I'm audible or not.
यस सर, अब आ रहा है ये सही।
बीच में क्या आवाज नहीं आ रही क्या मेरी? कोई बोल नहीं रहा आपके में से कोई? Anupam Chauhan is only person, only student here who is interacting or saying, or other terms saying something. Okay, so let me continue this thing. So I was talking about positioning. Positioning means to create an image of a product or service in the minds of the consumer. जैसे मैंने आपको कोलगेट का एग्जांपल दिया था, हम टूथपेस्ट लेने जाते हैं तो हम सीधा बोलते हैं कि हमें कोलगेट लेना है, हमें ये नहीं बोलते कि हम एक तरह से टूथपेस्ट लेने जा रहे हैं. Same implies with Xerox as well. So how this thing has came into the picture? So it is after the constant dedication in the segmentation, targeting, differentiation. When we implemented these things in a correct manner, then only this positioning thing comes into the picture. So if we read this thing, जब भी हम मार्केट सेगमेंटेशन, टारगेटिंग, प्रोडक्ट डिफरेंशिएशन को अच्छे से इंप्लीमेंट करते हैं, then only we are able to fetch this positioning thing. So positioning says, as I said, it refers to the place occupied by a product or service in the minds of consumer. Right? So this is as layman. Basic agenda positioning का यही है कि किसी प्रोडक्ट का नाम किसी कस्टमर के जहन में आए, उससे अच्छा ये है कि हम सीधा उस ब्रांड का नाम आ जाए. जैसे मैंने आपको जेरोक्स का एग्जांपल दिया, राइट? So here there is a difference between positioning and differentiation. So this is something you need to study with attention. So differentiation, as I said, is important. Unique is the process of making uniqueness in the product or service, right? To make stand out from the competition, from the other available things in the market. But if I say about this positioning thing, it is about to create a specific position in the minds of consumer. And if I say about the objectives is to make more customers who are compelled to choose their product irrespective of the competition. And same implies with the positioning as well. Positioning में हम एक तरह से इसका हमारा मेन एजेंडा है कि कैसे भी करके कंज्यूमर के माइंड में हमारी प्रोडक्ट का नाम आ जाए जब भी वो चीज उसको लेनी हो. जब भी टूथपेस्ट लेना हो, कोलगेट ही हो, वो वही आए माइंड में, कोई और दूसरा पेप्सोडेंट वगैरह ना आए, राइट? So this is something which I have explained. And one thing you need to understand here, this positioning concept is all about create a perception about a product. So Apple का perception है, Apple है तो महंगा ही होगा, राइट? सो दिस इज द परसेप्शन. अगर आप कोई सैमसंग का भी मतलब हाई एंड फोन लेके घूम रहे हो, and if people are not that aware that it's something from Note series or S series, so maybe people can understand this is a common phone. So this is the positioning that they have done if I talk about Apple. All right. Differentiation is more specific to the product or service, but if I talk about the positioning, it is more oriented towards the mindset or influence, how you are going to influence the consumer. किसी चीज को पोजीशन करने से पहले आपको सामने वाले का माइंडसेट में वो एक इमेज बनानी पड़ेगी कि सी दिस इज द प्रोडक्ट वी हैव एंड इट इज वर्थ द वैल्यू, राइट? And the last one is it is differentiation is based on the performance. जैसे मैंने आपको quality, price, availability वो सब बताया, वो इस पे basis है. But if I talk about this positioning thing, it is more carried out by the advertisement. जैसे आप advertisement करोगे उतना ही impact पड़ेगा एक तरह से. कोई भी advertisement अगर अच्छी हो जाती है इंडिया में, इंडिया के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में अगर हम देखें तो उसकी सेल भी फिर वैसे ही होती है. मान लीजिए एग्जाम्पल के तौर पे बहुत सारी चीजें इंडिया में ऐसी जो एडवर्टीजमेंट के बलबूते ही बिक रही है, इररिस्पेक्टिव वो इतने वैल्यूएबल नहीं हो. Many people are joining now. Okay, you people are so late. It is about to end. So this is something that I have explained, and this is a tabular representation, which I suppose needs no elaboration because this is something which I have already set in this pointers. Still, you can see and you can ask for any doubts if someone is having anyone having any doubt, please please let me know. Let me quickly share the attendance sheet with you in the meantime.
No doubt.
Okay, so it's 12 today. अपने रोल नंबर तो बताएंगे आप लोग या उसमें भी आप लोग नहीं बताने वाले जैसे मैं पहले पूछा था?
Yes,
रोल नंबर बताओ अपना सीक्वेंस
Anupam 08.
अनुपम, you are the only one who is interacting here. You don't know दूसरे लोग कहाँ गए हैं. अटेंडेंस नहीं चाहिए किसी को? रोल नंबर बताइए अपना, स्क्रीन आपको दिख रहा होगा. If you're not able to speak, you can WhatsApp, sorry, chat पे आप डाल सकते हैं.
Zero seven.
07. Okay. 07. Then अरे एक मिनट रुको उमेश, नीचे आने दो. यहाँ पे कोई है?
020.
013.
तो
एक मिनट
020.
रुकना आप.
013 sir.
13. 020 बोल रहा था कोई अभी. 20 तो है ही नहीं यहाँ पे. एक मिनट रुको.
039.
एक मिनट रुको. लेट मी. थ्री 9. Sushant. Sushant is here. Anu is also here. She's not saying anything. I don't know why. Divya Sharma is here. She's also not responding.
020.
कितना 20?
Yes sir.
Okay, 20.
42.
और 42 नीचे आ रहा है. एक मिनट रुको. यहाँ पे और कोई है? प्रथम कहाँ है? 29. प्रथम फर्स्ट क्लास है आज?
Yes sir.
इतने दिनों से कहाँ थे आप?
Fever था.
ओके. उमेश और कोई है यहाँ पे?
42.
Sir,
Sir,
18.
14.
विनीत है यहाँ पे, शुभम कुमार,
014, sir.
शुभम कुमार, एक मिनट, 014,
Sir, 18.
दीपांशु, ओके दीपांशु है,
Yes, sir.
18 कौन है? 18 तो है ही नहीं यहाँ पे, कौन कह रहा है 18? हिमांशु राज, सीक्वेंस वाइज नहीं है ये तभी।
सर कैसे?
और कोई बचा हुआ है? चेक कर लो अपनी अटेंडेंस, चेक कर लो अपनी अटेंडेंस। Anyone who is left? I believe no one is left. Okay, we will meet in the next class. All right. Goodbye.